So Swami is sitting there, all of them are singing, Swami is shaking his head. I am sitting far behind. I can also shake my head because they are singing so beautiful. Like me, people who don't know anything, call me, make me sing. Then you are God. When I joined that Swami's college, my prayer was, Swami, now I stopped violin. I don't know anything about singing, but students are singing so beautiful in Vrindavan. I don't know what you will do, you have to make me sing. Playing harmonium, he first made me do that. One summer holiday, I don't know ABCD of harmonium, he made me do that. I was taking second bath in the summer heat of Prashanalayam. That is no harmonium player. I don't know. I went to take bath, Swami is sending word through one boy, call Harihar and ask him to play harmonium. I thought, my God. This boy comes and knocks at the door. He says, Swami is calling you. I said, he's kidding. Because why should Swami call? And he tells, Swami is calling. Swami told, bring Hariharan. I told, hey, not at this time, this type of talk. No. Then he started banging the door. No, Hariharan, Swami is waiting for you in the veranda. Come. I ran. Then Swami, harmonium play chay. That time singers were there from another campus and many people were there. Now I don't know harmonium. Now when Swami tells you, you play harmonium, you cannot tell Swami that, Swami, I don't know to play. Because then Swami will say, are you playing or am I playing? So you cannot tell that. So I am stuck. One side Swami's command, another side people's poor singers. When I think about the singers, how much they are going to suffer. So because of that, I thought how to balance in between. Listen to Swami's word. I went, sat in front of harmonium. From behind the singers, and man, you know to play harmonium? I told, no. Why are you sitting here? I told, Swami told me. And Swami is telling, you should tell you don't know. Now I cannot tell the reply to them. So I told, what to do? Swami told me, I am sitting here. So I sat there. Then suddenly one flash, hey, do you know D flat? E flat? I told, tell me 1, 2, 1 pancham, 2 pancham, I'll keep Shruti. But it was such a wonderful time, no mics were there. Now because you people keep the mic, I had to be very careful. That's why I didn't start with my singing. So mic was not there. So what happened? What you play, nobody knows. But behind boys knows very well, whether we are right or wrong. Because they are very careful about Shruti. So they are very careful. They will know. Now I don't know to play, so I'll just keep like this. But Swami won't keep quiet. He will sit on the chair and he'll say. Now he will show like that. I have to do, Now if I start doing like this, like this, if I start doing from behind, I'll get something. But Swami is saying, play. Then I have to do something, so I started keeping something, and it will be a torture for all these singers. So now, that's why, people say, how come, sir, you don't tell mistake of others? I say, because I am coming from that generation. How can I tell any mistake about him? गलती तो है हमारे पास किसी और दूसरे पर तो कैसे गलती को बात कर सकते हैं? नहीं, we cannot do that. We have come from there. We have removed those mistakes. But we have come from there. We have improved from there. So we cannot tell others anything. No right whatsoever. So I keep quiet. So I started playing. Then Swami will do like that. So 15 days, Swami also did like that. I also did like that. 15th day, Swami told. But what happens? We walk inside the bhajana like kings, Students will go like that, sit. And the people from outside, they see I am sitting in front of Swami. That time, not many harmonium players. So when I sit in front of them, lots of people say, oh brother, your harmonium was fantastic. I only know what it was. And fortunately, they didn't get introduced to my co-singers. Otherwise, my name would have been spoiled. Because everything was, because mic was not there. Your sitting posture, that's all perfect. Because you sit straight, and then keep the bellows and then keep the harmonium like that, and you can give the pose. Miming is very, very easy. So that's what I used to do. But 15th day, Swami told, we'll all go to Brindavan. Okay, Swami. Brindavan, we went there, small room. Swami will sit on the chair with talam and selected singers, around 20-25 VIPs, ladies on the other room. So there to mar gaya. Hamara talent to pura dunya ko pata chal jayega aaj. I thought, my talent will be known throughout the world today. Because I am sitting, I was so afraid because I have to sit near Swami's padam. Harmonium player has to sit in the front. So I was sitting, and there Swami will select the songs for students, Vrindavan students. Hey, you sing Allah Akbar, you sing this, you sing that. So they were blasting. But that day, I don't know what happened. Hand flowed very smoothly on the harmonium, that's all. After that program, all boys came out, told, sorry Hariharan, you are a classical genius. We really mistook you that you don't know anything. But how beautiful you played. I told, this is one day by fluke it has happened. Tomorrow again my original talent will come. Never believe human can change day to day in different way. So don't believe this, I told. Then after that, fortunately it got settled. Now that, our desires increases slowly. Desire to desirelessness, it goes. So my desire next was that I should sing in front of Swami. So one day I was sleeping, Bhimsen Joshi, Anup Jalotaji, Hari Om Sharanji, everyone was singing. Swami is sitting on a silver jhula, where near the silver door. Dreams will be a little bit different, not the original. So Swami is sitting there, all of them are singing, Swami is shaking his head. I am sitting far behind. I am telling, you are shaking your head for all these great singers. I can also shake my head because they are singing so beautiful. So I can also shake my head. Like me people, you make me sing, then shake your head. Then you are God. Bhimsen Joshi, I will also shake my head. Anup Jalota, I will also clap and shake my head. Hari Om Sharanji, I will also forget myself and cry. But like me people who don't know anything, call me, make me sing. Then you are God. When I am telling like that, Swami is calling me. Then I went and sat. Swami told, Padu, sing. Then I started singing. Don't forget, it's only dream, not in reality. Because many of us go with the dream as reality. So it's only dream. So I started singing and I was crying because opportunity in front of God. So I started weeping and started singing. Then Swami tells, this is my student. Like that. So I was so thrilled, happy, that I felt. Then I found it is hostel room. My God. Then I thought, at least in dream, Swami has called me and made me sing. That's more. Same birthday function time. There were singers, film playback singers, everyone in the hostel jhula, because dream is that unusual jhula. So it was hostel jhula function. Swami came near me when the playback singers said, harmonium play chusna paatlu rada. You are playing harmonium. Don't you sing? Now I cannot say, yes Swami, I can sing, because I don't know to sing. Now I don't want to leave the opportunity, Swami, I don't know, but I want to sing. That also I cannot tell. So either way you are caught. Only look at him like this. Then whatever his command, that's it. His command, oka paatu paadu. Swami told, sing. So when you are getting first opportunity, first of all, if you are desirous of singing, what you will do? You will practice a lot. Don't ever take my life as example, because don't take my life, because I never practiced anything. So immediately, first bhajan what you will sing, the most popular bhajan which everyone can follow. I think I am born a different type of fellow, opposite to whole human being. So the very first bhajan when I started, I started a bhajan which nobody had heard in the hostel. I am sure you wouldn't have heard this bhajan too. Bhajan karo sai naam madhuram. Have you ever heard? Same situation then also. Nobody had heard. ध्यान करो भगवान साईनाथं, भजन करो साई नाम मधुरम, प्रशांति निलयम प्रेमयमृतम, ध्यान करो मन मधुरम मधुरम, भव भयहरणम प्रतिविहारम. I started, and fortunately our students were very enthusiastic, so they also gave chorus. They saved my life. Then Swami told, baga padra, mandirlo vachi paadu. Next, sang very well. Come to mandir and sing. That is the day I started with Hey Ram Bhagwan, Partipurishwar Ram. I sang that bhajan, weeping. Swami put 3 speeds. Those time voice used to be high pitched, student's voice. Now I am aged, so I have to restrict myself to my range. I cannot go to that range. So that's how singing, then songs started coming.